You fine gay. She been well, ambassador. I'm talking to you, baby girl. Baby girl. Look at you, looking all pretty, all dolled up. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Fine girl. Fine girl. Oh my god. Seriously. Fine girl. Oh my god. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. That's it.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm broke girly. I do not have money and I need to wear clothes because I don't want to be looking like my problem. I went to steal my mom's clothes. Yeah, I stole my mom's clothes because she does not need them again, so I'm going to use it to make my own clothes. That's our little secret, don't tell anyone. What I'm thinking I want to use to make. Let me wear it so you can see how it looks like on me. So, first of all, I like the material. I like the print of it. I like the way it's looking like. It's a very good pattern and it's a stretchy fabric, so, and it's also big. It gives me so much material to make whatever I want to make. So yeah, this is the first one. I'm sorry, I can't take myself serious.
Now I'm just cutting off the fabric and measuring my measurement on it, and it was not that bad. It was not complicated. I just removed my actual measurement. I removed like an inch and then I stitched it up. So I wore it just to be sure where I want the ends to be, and wait until the end so you can watch how I styled the dresses and the tops and the skirts. So yeah.
This one, yeah. I just stole this one recently from my mom. So I'm sure if she sees it, she's going to be like, "You don't want to steal that clothes from me? Oh, I'm sorry, mommy. You don't need them. You're not wearing them anymore. So I'm still it." The vision. So because it's just a big latch of fabric and I can't wear it obviously, so clock it. Clock it, dock it.
It's a round dress, so you fold each part in an equal way. I went to steal my mom's clothes again just to make this beautiful design. So I'm stitching it up, and that's just what I did. And I wore it. I had to make sure that I pinned where I wanted it to be. And after I did that, I went back to sew it on my machine. Yeah, my cat was basically disturbing me, but you know what? I love her. Yeah, I'm wearing it. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at me.
For the next one, oh my god, so flowery, so beautiful. It's this one. This piece, I'm just going to turn this into a skirt. Yeah, this is how it looks like. This is how it's looking. You can see that? Yeah.
I didn't really do much for this one. I just separated the top from the bottom, and I'm still using the same pattern that was on the bottom part. So I cut out where I wanted to, the SS, and then I sew it up. And then when I was adding the zip, I realized that I added it to the wrong part, and I'm so frustrated at this point because what the hell? But anyways, I did it again, and look who came to disturb me, my cat.
Now she doesn't want me to work. Baby girl, let me work. Leave me alone. But seriously, I cannot get over this cuteness. I guess this will be closing it for today. Yep. This is it.
I've been seeing this style on Pinterest, and I don't have cute tops. Yeah. I'm trying to leave the basic aesthetic. I want to start wearing some colors, some designs. Did I mention design twice? Ever since I stole this top from my mom, I've not found something to do with it. So today, we finally found what we can use you to do. So let me wear it. Now, honestly, it's not that bad, but obviously, it's big. I love the material. I love the design. I mean, the print or whatever they call it. I love it. So, yeah.
Honestly, this outfit wasn't my favorite because I wasn't able to get the particular design that I wanted, but I think I still pretty much got what I wanted. So I'm just matching up my design, my measurement again and cutting it off. Yeah, that's what I did. And after I did that, I went ahead to sew it. Sewing the material wasn't that hard because my machine could sew it, and I'm just playing with the designs. I ended up leaving it as a straight one because I wasn't really buying. I'm not a real fan of those slanted designs, so yeah, I sew it, and oh my god, I was so happy. Yeah, dancing like a never mind. Now, I didn't steal this dress from my mom. My mommy actually got it for me, but I did not like what I was saying, so I decided to wear it. And honestly, I couldn't wear it. I just thought, let me just cut it, So I saw a design on Pinterest, and I decided to recreate it. I had to take a cuteness break because they were just so cute. So cute. Oh my god. That's my weak point because I don't know. Cats are just one of the most cutest animals ever. That is Kia and this is Luna. Yeah. Now let's get back to sewing. After this cuteness break, let's get back to it. Now I'm cutting it off, the ruffles of the skirts, and I'm not really going with an equal measurement because I wanted it to be a little bit not equal. I'm wearing it to see where I could cut it from, and I was just really eyeballing this measurement because I didn't want to do too much. I was stressed, to be honest. And yeah, I wore it. I liked what I saw. Sorry, I like dancing. And then I'm just like mapping out where I'll put the ruffles on, sewing it. This was the hardest part of it. After that, I did I don't know what they call this, but I did the design, and yeah, this is it. I love it. Oh my god, beautiful. One more thing I wanted to add. So it's this top for the gown material. So I just want to make a little top that I had an idea of lately. So this is it. Now I'm just gonna cut off my body measurements and sew it up. And I added an elastic just to make that a little bit stretchy, and here's me just trying it out. And yeah, that's all for this outfit. Now for the first one, I stole my mom's bag and I stole my mom's scarf. Oh my god, I'm a thief at this point. So yeah, I wore it together and I'm just dancing. Seriously, don't mind me, I just like dancing, to be honest. So I'm showing you my jewelry, and yeah, that's how I wore it. I also saw my sister's slippers. Yeah, I'm a thief, For the second one, yeah, this is me dancing again, and yeah, I wore it, and I didn't really do much to this one, to be honest, because the outfit was a statement on its own. And there's me showing you my rings, doing a swirl, and yeah, the outfit was just a statement for its own self. Now for this next one, oh my god, like, it's something I could wear to the beach, something I could just wear as a knockabout. I'm usually not used to wearing skirts, but I was feeling this one. And then I just wanted to, dance away. I wanna dance away. I'm sorry. So yeah, that's close view for it, and I forgot to show you the down part of the skirt, so you actually wouldn't know how it looks like. Now for this one, it's giving, boss girl, boss lady. It's just so cute, really cute. And yeah, I was just so happy, so happy. And then I was like, okay, let me style this in different ways, because that is why I actually left it as a straight design, because it could literally do 4 things in one. Oh god, I'm feeling myself too much. I can't blame myself. I mean, look, I'm happy. For once in my life, I'm actually happy. So yeah, I'm dancing again, dancing, and yeah, this is the first way I could style it, as a slanted way. I could also do it like this, yeah, yeah, and I could also do like a crop top, like a crop bun, yeah. So I cropped it, and literally 4 in 1. Now for this next one, it's looking like this one I just wore just now, but the ends or the statements, yeah, so I didn't really do much. So just dancing again. I can't really leave myself. Why am I always dancing? I should literally go audition for a dance at this point. And yeah, it's doing the 4 in 1 thing again. And I can also dance like a ballerina. And yeah, my showstopper, my collaborator had to just come and show herself in my video. And this brings me to the end of my video. If you guys watch it to the extent, please let me know in the comment section and let me know your favorites. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.